Hello children, so today we will start a new poem and the poem is My Shadow. So you can see in this picture, this is a poem about a shadow, and what the shadow does, it at times scares this child, or maybe it scares all of us at some point of time. When we are small, we are little, we get scared because of our own shadow. So this poem is all about shadow, how it behaves, how the child thinks, and how the child feels about his own shadow. Children, do you know, whenever here is light, someone follows you. Have you ever wondered who it is? तो बच्चों, जब कभी भी कहीं लाइट होती है तो आप देखोगे कि आपके पास एक शेडो बन जाती है. Now that shadow, wherever you goes, your shadow go that way. So it follows you everywhere. So how does that happen and how the child thinks about the shadow? That is all being told in this poem. So let's read and enjoy. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. So the child says that there is a little shadow which goes everywhere. Wherever I go, my shadow goes with me, or it comes with me. It never leaves me. And the child also says that I don't find any use of this shadow, because what the shadow does, वो सिर्फ उसके साथ साथ चलती है, उसके साथ साथ रहती है. तो बच्चे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि उस शेडो का यूज क्या है, उसका फायदा क्या है. So we'll read it again. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him more than I can see. तो जो शेडो है वो बाहर अंदर उसके साथ जहाँ वो जाता है, जैसे वो जाता है, सब जगह जाती है, लेकिन उसका फ़ायदा क्या है वो उसको पता ही नहीं चल रहा है. He is very very like me from the heels up to the head. So the child says that the shadow is exactly like him, exactly similar, from the head to the heels, or from the heels to the head. जैसे उसके the way his legs are, same way legs of the shadow are. The way his head is, same way his head is. So shadow is exactly similar to the child. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. And child says that when I want to go to my bed, when it is night and I want to sleep, then when I go to my bed, my shadow, before I jump into my bed, my shadow jumps into the bed. So child is wondering how and why does it happen, where this shadow comes from, and then where does it go. Again child thinks. Now what child says now? The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. So child says जो सबसे मजाकिया चीज़ है इस शेडो के बारे में वो ये है कि वो किस तरीके से उसको ग्रो करना पसंद है, बढ़ना पसंद है. So child says the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Funniest, मजाकिया, जो सबसे मज़ेदार बात है वो ये है कि ये शेडो किस तरीके से बढ़ना पसंद करती है. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow, because child knows the children, they don't grow that fast. Now what happens about the shadow? Shadow at times, when you see it at one point of at one time it is very small. All of a sudden when you move forward and light is exactly behind you, then your shadow becomes quite taller. So shadow grows in a second, from very small to a bigger giant. So child says not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे हम नॉर्मली, जैसे हम प्रॉपर जैसे बढ़ते हैं उस तरीके से हमारी शेडो नहीं बढ़ती है. हम तो बच्चे जो होते हैं वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ते हैं. तो नाउ व्हाट द चाइल्ड सेज ahead, for he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. So child says, at times it happens कि वो इतनी लंबी हो जाती है जैसे इंडिया रबर बॉल. इंडिया रबर बॉल is a ball which bounces very high. So child says कि it grows like a India rubber ball. जैसे बॉल बाउंस करके एकदम से तेजी से ऊपर चली जाती है. Same way the shadow also. From a little one, it goes and grows up higher, taller, like the India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. और फिर बच्चा बोलता है कि sometimes कुछ कभी कभी तो वो इतनी छोटी हो जाती है कि ऐसा लगता है कि वो कहीं है ही नहीं. So children, when your shadow is the smallest, आपको that you have to find out. But I give you a hint, just look at your shadow when sun is exactly above your head. Then what happens? And when in the morning when sun is behind your back, then how tall is your shadow? Same experiment you can do while standing in front of a lamp, street light. What happens to your shadow when you're facing that street light, when you are directly underneath that street light? So you observe it. One morning very early, before the sun was, I was up. One morning, एक सुबह, very early, बहुत जल्दी, before the sun, I was up. सूरज के उगने से पहले ही मैं उठ गया था. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. मैंने उठा और देखा कि चमकती हुई ओस की बूंदें. Dew is ओस, जो what you see normally during some you can say when winter starts, then what you see that there are small droplets on leaves, blades of these grass, leaves of plants and petals of the flowers. You find these small tiny drops of water. So these are called dew. And when sun rays fall on these dew drops, then these shine. So the child is mentioning about them. तो मैं उठा और मैंने देखा कि हर एक buttercup is a flower. It's a yellow color flower. So few dew drops are there in the buttercup also. So the child is saying कि buttercup पे, हर एक buttercup पे जो था वो ओस की बूंदें जो थी वो चमक रही थी. But my lazy little shadow like an errant sleepy head. लेकिन मेरी जो आलसी छोटी सी जो शेडो है वो तो अभी भी उसको अभी भी नींद आ रही है. errant sleepy head, errant means the one who is not paying attention and sleepy head who is sleepy. तो जो अभी भी मतलब जिसका ध्यान कहीं नहीं है और अभी भी वो नींद नहीं है, उसकी तरीके से मेरी जो शेडो है had stayed at home, अभी भी घर पे ही है, behind me and was fast asleep in bed. और अभी भी वो बिस्तर में ही, बेड में ही अभी भी बहुत गहरी नींद सो रही है. Fast asleep means गहरी नींद सोना. So children, this is the poem My Shadow, and in this you have learned so many new things. And now I want you to see and observe today what happens to your shadow when light falls directly on your head, above your head, you are underneath light, or when you are facing that light, or when light is somehow somewhat below your foot or below your knee length. Then what happens to your shadow? When does it grow? When it is the tallest, when it is the shortest. This poem by Robert Louis Stevenson. So read this poem, enjoy it and learn it. Thank you.